What's up, guys? Happy that you tuned in. Right now, I'm gonna work on the EF. It's been a long time since I have done something, but yeah, I've been doing little things just to keep the car updated, but not a real video. So right now, I'm gonna change the braking, the um, rear brakes. I'm gonna put a different swap, a disc brake swap. Gonna install these today, and I have everything already set up. Did the trailing arm bushings. I have a separate video talking specifically about these ones, energy suspension bushings, and how to install them, a way how to install them. So yeah, right now we're gonna work on the EF today. I'm a little bit sad, but because we're still searching for a new place to settle. Because this place is gonna come to an end. We're still searching. We have less than a month before we get out. Before we have to get out. Now we already have to get out, but we got a month. So just to give me a little bit more motivation, I'm gonna start doing the rear trailing arms, and in the next video I will put some meaty tires on. Yeah, man. Yeah, boy, some meaty tires coming up. So yeah, let's do this. So let me show you guys where we're at right now. It's pretty simple. You loosen up the brake hose, brake fluid hose, brake hose. Oh my god! You loosen up the brake hose. You unfasten these two bolts from the camber arm. You loosen up these two that's underneath. And then you got that one from the toe. You gotta get out. And you got the bolts up here. Already loosened them up. So this one right here, this one right there, from the strut, from the coilover, and we got the ones on this specific model. You got, I don't know if you can see it, but you got this is what your emergency brake cables look like, and these are the ones that you have to get out on the inside. You can loosen these things up, 3 bolts, and you can get them out of there. For me, I'm gonna I think I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it, and yeah, get them out like that, because I don't wanna get my whole tank out just to doing this. Or no, you don't need to get out your tank, but yeah, I don't know. But I already loosened up the emergency brake cables. Got one in the back that I need to get out of there, and then putting in the other swap in eventually. I got those right there waiting for me. Sorry for the mess, because we're packing and it's all like hectic around here, but yeah, doing the vlogs, you know, gotta continue doing this, right? Can't stop. What's up, YouTube? Today is a very special day. It's, I think, 8 o'clock in the morning. Going to pick a moving van, a moving bus for the new garage that we found. And you guys are gonna love this.